Hi everybody, today we have a box. It's a game. I've never played this game before. The box is simple and there's a map here and something here. Let's read it. Singapore MRT map jigsaw puzzle. Green, red, purple, orange, blue, brown, gray are the colors that not only brighten our little island but also our journeys over the years. Our mass rapid transit MRT system was opened in 1987 with 5 stations. Fast forward 30 years, our little red dot now boasts 6 MRT and 3 light rapid transit lines. This Singapore MRT map jigsaw puzzle is a must-have for those who love indulging in nothing short of mind-boggling challenge. Yeah, that's it. My friend bought this jigsaw for us to play together, but he's always busy. I'm sorry I played alone today. 10,000 pieces.
What the hell?
This is the first time I play this game. Okay, let's begin. For the first try, I cannot finish, so I gave up. It takes me about more than 6 hours, 6 hours and 20 minutes. So stressed, so tired. I feel like I am exhausted. For the first time, 1000 pieces is not as easy as I think. At first I realized there are numbers behind every piece, so I classified it into groups. This is the easiest part, but the problem is these areas. It's just empty, nothing. I was stuck because of these areas. I think we try it again. Okay, let's do it again. Yes, we did it. It's amazing when you can finish this jigsaw 1000 pieces for the first time. Yeah, the feeling is so wow. We can do everything, but we need to try. Do not give up. For the second try, it takes me about more than 7 hours to finish this jigsaw. I think we should buy a frame to protect the map. Yeah, it's a good idea. My friend, remember to buy it. After playing this jigsaw puzzle, I love it. I think I love it. Okay, that's it about the video. Thanks for your attention. And see you next time. Remember, do not give up.